Becoming a polymath in 2026 is very easy actually. Most people still believe becoming a polymath takes decades of obsession, insane discipline, or genius-level IQ, but in 2026, top performers are quietly using a method almost no one is talking about, and that's exactly why most people are falling behind. Imagine waking up knowing how to learn anything faster than everyone else, connecting ideas across fields effortlessly, and feeling mentally dangerous in conversations, work, and strategy. This isn't theory, it's the system I've already used to collapse years of learning into weeks. The truth is, becoming a polymath in 2026 is actually very easy once you know what to focus on, because it doesn't require talent, money, or motivation, just a simple, repeatable approach that literally anyone watching this can start using today. Here are 5 steps to become a polymath in 2026. Point 1. The story that shook the world. Build your Bruce Lee polymath mindset. What if one man's epic journey ignites your skill mastery 2026? Elite geniuses hide this origin story because it sparks endless curiosity. Picture Bruce Lee as a skinny teen in Hong Kong, winning cha-cha contests while devouring philosophy books and training in street fights. He shattered limits by fusing Wing Chun, boxing, and fencing into Jeet Kune Do, proving polymaths thrive by blending worlds. This wasn't random. Bruce saw how single skills limit you, so he built a mindset of endless curiosity, pulling from dance for footwork fluidity, poetry for mental sharpness, and philosophy for unbreakable focus. You can copy this spark right now. Choose 3 passions, like fitness, tech, and strategy, then connect them every day. Maybe use a fighter's discipline to debug code faster or strategy games to boost workout intensity. Neuroplasticity secrets make it stick, rewiring your brain for genius flow as repeated blending creates new neural highways. Journal 1 Bruce Lee blend tonight, like applying fight tactics to daily challenges, and watch ideas explode. But how did he turn weakness into world-class power? Keep watching for the next genius habit. Point 2. Stack micro habits for explosive genius gains. Did you know 80% of polymaths credit 5-minute habits for their edge, while 95% of big goal chasers burn out? This hidden elite learning hack multiplies your brain power fast. You'll layer tiny 5-minute bursts, like quick footwork drills before deep reading sessions, turning dead time into gold. Science backs it. Studies from habit experts like James Clear show micro habits stick 40x better than hour-long grinds because they dodge your brain's resistance. Harness neuroplasticity secrets. Your brain adapts in short bursts, building unbreakable momentum as dopamine hits reward the wins. Track wins in a simple app to automate progress, setting reminders that stack skills like Lego blocks. Geniuses conceal this because massive goals overwhelm. Micros quietly forge empires, compounding into 10x results over months. Example, study one strategy clip for 5 minutes, then test it in real life for instant wins. Suddenly you're sharper across fields. But what's the secret timer that keeps elites ahead, preventing habit fade? The next point reveals it, giving you the edge to outlearn anyone. Point 3. Hunt cross-pollination like a skill ninja. Want 3x faster skill gains, unbreakable creativity, and leadership that turns heads? Polymaths crush narrow experts by rating ideas across fields. Here's your 2026 roadmap. You'll fuse domains, borrow fight agility for creative problem solving, or influence tactics for leadership wins, creating hybrid superpowers no specialist can match. Tap 2026 trends like AI tools blending art and tech for hybrid breakthroughs. Think generating code from sketches or strategies from visuals. Dive wide but deep, read one book on physics, then experiment across skills, like using momentum laws to perfect a punch or negotiate deals. Elite geniuses hide this edge to dominate quietly. You can lead with ninja precision, spotting connections others miss. Real example, epic training montages inspire your daily drills, blending cinema storytelling with physical execution for viral motivation. This isn't overload, it's leverage, turning one idea into 10 applications. Pro tip, if you're stuck chasing single skills while polymaths dominate everything? If you want simple steps to skill mastery 2026, subscribe today. You're joining real polymath builders hitting genius levels fast. Click subscribe, comment genius mode, and let's evolve together. Wondering how to connect without overload? Step 4 fixes that. Point 4. The shocking truth geniuses hide. Tap Elite Networks for free skill upgrades. 90% of breakthroughs come from conversations, not solo grind, yet most waste years isolated. Polymaths never grind alone, they plug into power circles. You'll join free hubs like forums for multi-skill masters and chats for pros in fitness and tech, where ideas collide like sparks in a forge. Share insights from top videos, snag feedback that catapults growth, like a coder tweaking your workout app or a strategist refining your philosophy notes. Bruce Network Global Legends. You link creators with strategists for sparks that birth innovations overnight. Elites guard this because collisions create breakthroughs, not isolation. Think how Leonardo da Vinci swapped notes with mathematicians for flying machine blueprints. Action. Post your first Polymath challenge this week, like blend AI with martial arts, who's in, and watch doors open. No gatekeeping here. Discord servers and Reddit threads are gold mines waiting. But how do you scale massively without burnout, turning networks into a skill accelerator? The final step locks it in, promising endless upgrades. Point 5. Review and evolve for endless Polymath flow. Promise, master this loop, and you'll peak higher every year like Bruce, guaranteed momentum for life. What fuels Polymaths year after year? You'll audit weekly. What fused brilliantly? What needs tweaks? Adapt like flowing water in combat, shedding weak links for stronger flows. Use simple charts, rate skills 1 to 10 across categories, spotting patterns like tech boosts creativity 2x. 2026 AI trends supercharge this, uncovering hidden patterns with tools that analyze your journals in seconds. Bruce evolved relentlessly, ditching rigid styles for Jeet Kune Do's freedom. You build legendary momentum too, turning plateaus into peaks. Pro tip, reward with fun breaks to sustain fire, like a quick game blending your passions. This isn't busy work, it's your unfair advantage, compressing decades into years as data drives decisions. Ready for the big payoff? So now you know, you've unlocked 5 elite learning hacks: Bruce Polymath mindset, micro habits, cross-pollination, elite networks, and evolve loops. Launch one blend today, track relentlessly, and by 2026, you'll outshine single-skill players. However, to really make 2026 your year, you need to understand the psychology of transformation, so check out what you must know in 2026, the psychology of transformation and the 72-hour hyper-intelligence hack to actually make a difference in 2026.